Signal goes out of their way to make sure everybody's taken care of. I have better benefits here than I did at dealerships, better retirement plans, better just about everything, and it's independent too.
They're very easy to work with if you need time off for anything, even if it is short notice. It is a family-run shop, and they want you to be with your family on the weekends like they with theirs.
It's the other people you're working with, the other technicians and the managers and the owners. That's the best part.